your morning. So yeah, I have to do a voiceover because we mute the song. So make sure you like, comment, share, and this is my night routine. So you know, say you have to brush them teeth. Some people brush them teeth after them bed, but I have to brush my teeth before my bed. Yeah, I show them my nails, curl the nails and everything. But they right through my inches, yeah, will soon come out. Yeah, girl, I come brush your teeth, idiots. Damn fool. So now, girl, I put the toothpaste on the toothbrush. Oh, yeah. And what it up again, come do what it up first. Yeah, so now I wash my face, put on my nice clean soap on my face to take off them cranny bum there. See, because them bum that one bubbles and them not look good. So girl, I go wash her face now. So I go catch up my ear now because my ear cannot. I don't know, I say my ear can say so. So yeah. Yeah, so girl, I show him her face, she catch up her ear, yeah, idiot, so she had to thumbs up for anyways. Okay, that I'm doing a bathroom now. Every time I appear, I'll chat to myself. So yeah, me tell me I go beard now. So now me have to go take off my chin. So yeah, girl, I take off her chin. Yeah, coming up getting a chin. When I care, I just don't beat my chin. I don't worry, but yeah, I just don't want to beat my chin, so I take off my chin. Every time I beard, I take it off. So yeah, I'm gonna fix it like something the way I pick out come down while she went in my video. So now I'm gonna take off my pants. Yeah, girl, I'm gonna take off her pants now. So I have on because I'm gonna think I'll be myself probably enough for that. Yeah, right. So yeah, girl, I'm gonna show her pants to come off, right? So now I type it take off my shirt. It's like kind of take out time because you know I'm girl I'm handicapped. So girl, I pull her top now. I don't know what she had chat about here. Girl, I pull her top, right? That's so, she take long inches, hurt my girl. We have time nails and can't pull it up. Okay, she pull it now. Urban pull the other one now. Alright, that's so, The bathroom now, girl, I go bed, so yeah, I'm showing my face, I'm not a show, I go bed, so just stay tuned. My son come back.
2,000 years later.
So as you can see, I pull up back my ear now, I have all my clothes already, cause I don't bed. So yeah, girl, I go fling up back, ear and everything, right, so alright, girl, fix it here. Fix up. Oh yeah, right, that's my birthday show. I'm not watching to see it. So that's how my face it looks. So buzz it right through. Yeah, girl, fix a look at ear over the corner. Fix it. So yeah, ear, catch up and sing. Alright, that's so flash out the lights. Be lights in your head, girl. Yeah, so fix up your clothes, brush teeth, watch stiff press, Jesus. Yeah, brush teeth anyways. So me I try to make a thumbnail, so me I pose up what I'm gonna take thumbnail now. Watch idiots, yeah girl, thumbnail yeah look, alright, watch tongue. Anyways, yeah, me I took up a camera now to show my big face. Watch bump in the face, watch pretty girl. Right, that's so. Yes, so now I'm up on the road and this is the end of the video. Come never get for end it up. So I'm gonna buy chicken. So make sure you say you like, comment, subscribe, share and everything.